Understanding the phrase, count on one hand. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, count on one hand. This expression is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can add a wonderful nuance to your language skills. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, count on one hand, is an idiomatic expression. This means it's a phrase where the meaning isn't directly related to the individual words. When someone says they can count something on one hand, it means that the thing they're talking about is rare and frequent. The idea is that the number of times it happens or the number of examples they can think of is so small, they can count them using just one hand. For example, if someone says, I can count on one hand the number of times I've gone skiing, it means they haven't gone skiing very often. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use count on one hand. 1. Personal experiences. I can count on one hand the number of times I've been abroad. This suggests the person hasn't traveled much. 2. Frequency of events. In our city, you can count on one hand the days it snows each year. This implies that snowfall is rare in that city. 3. Rare qualities or occurrences. You can count on one hand the teachers who have influenced me deeply. This means there are very few such teachers. Notice how this phrase is often used to emphasize the scarcity or uniqueness of something. When using count on one hand, be careful not to 1. Overuse it. This phrase is best used for impact. Overusing it can dilute its effectiveness. 2. Use it literally. Remember, it's a figurative expression. It's not about actual counting or hands. 3. Confuse it with quantitative analysis. This phrase is more about highlighting rarity rather than providing an exact number. And that's a wrap on count on one hand. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English phrase and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about exploring and understanding such nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!